Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Okay, Trust Progress, the analyst. I am here for you to give you all the update back to back. The purpose why you have me is for me to update you, and that is what I am doing. So please do well to share our videos, like and subscribe. Without not wasting much of your time, let me leave you to listen to this update, and I'll be right back.
Among us. So, while we are doing our best, you outside there must also put it upon yourself to also do the best. Why I'm saying this early morning, today is Friday, the 15th day of December 2023. We already entered half of the month. Properly is 2 weeks that is remaining to finally defeated this year. And believe you me, these 2 weeks is not going to be easy. These 2 weeks will record so many terrible things in the land of Biafra. But don't get me wrong. It is only the stubborn one that will die, will pay the heavy price. The stubborn one, I mean those who doesn't like to hear and take a very simple instruction. Just like as I've been instructed that from 15 being today to 19 being next week Tuesday is sit at home, lockdown in the land of Biafra. Those that stay in their house will be safe. But the stubborn one who think that we are joking, who think that freedom is very cheap, who think that freedom is when you kneel down, they pray, they cast, they buy, the fasting and prayer, that freedom will come. We stupidly want to go out and anything where they say, anything you price, you must buy it. But those that will be wise to love their life, knowing fully well that this is the last moon of the year, and the last moon of the year came with so many evil, and the enemy have come into the land of Biafra to destroy the children of the soil, and we will never allow such to happen, and we will fight till the last man standing to resist them the way we are doing, to ensure that this land of our ancestors that hand over to us must be safe for us to hand over it to our children. Then we will do everything possible best within our power to ensure our children that safety without the presence of Fulani, without the presence of Yoruba, without the presence of Britain or China. Mark my word, you need. Our children must enjoy this holy land of Biafra in this our time. So we will sacrifice everything sacrificable to make sure say this, the enemy, the terrorists that brought death in the land of Biafra will end up dying. Then and only then they will understand that indeed Biafra can never die. And Biafra is a spirit. And Biafra is the land of hope, the holy hope of a black race. So therefore, if you love your loved one, if you love your mother, your sister, it is your duty to ensure that they comply to this sit at home. It is not for me, because I am in the bush. We are still on operation. Python must die. Nothing will save Python. You have seen the way Python is being killed. Have you not been seeing the way python have been killing? Those python that came to dance in the street of Biafra, on the road of Biafra, in the villages of Biafra, we are dealing with those python. They must die. And when we are finished with them, we will go back to Operation Kill the Crocodile. Because after the python done finish, crocodile begin to smile. And as the python they dance that time, Biafran they die. And as Biafran they die, crocodile they smile. And all those things who caused the death of Biafra, all those who were dancing as they are killing Biafrans, they cannot survive. And all the crocodile that was smiling as Biafra is dying, they must die. So therefore, don't allow yourself, your ego, to kill you before the end of this year. Don't allow your stupidity and the love of money and business to kill you before this year runs out. Don't allow your doubt to kill you before the remaining days for this year to kiss bye-bye. I am telling you the gospel truth. We will not look your face. We will never look at your face. Our target, our mission is Biafra. And as I told you before, that we will do everything humanly possible to ensure that we destroy the strongholds of the terrorists in Biafra land. And we will do everything to ensure that they run away from the land of Biafra. Yes. They must run away. They must run away in the land of Biafra. They must not stay. Remember, the gate of hell have already opened since. I'm asking them question. Is your money finished? As your money finish, your money don't finish to hire machinery again. Meet Asari now. It's like Asari don't recruit many boys again. Meet Asari Tokumbo. Go and hire many fighter jet now. You don't know what the mess you get yourself into. If you could not defeat our forefather when the technology was not high like this, what make you think you can defeat us when we are in charge of our territory? When our brain have opened wide, when we are make a lot of friends, you can't defeat us. They never born you. They never born you to say you can stop the quest of freedom. They never born you to say you can stop this Biafra restoration. They never born you. They never born you to say that Biafra is dead and buried. They never born you. They never born you to say that one and surrender sometime, someday. They never born you. Keep giving them uniform to wear and they will keep falling. It no matter how many where them be. Nigeria arms. Is it our fault? Is it our fault to be to born a Biafrans? Is it our fault? We take our oil and we do not have running water. We do not have good hospital. We do not have good school. We do not get even common electricity. Common electricity. The most common thing so far, electricity, we do not have. To mount all the roadblock on our way. To mount every roadblock, they install us. They rob us in our hard-earned money. We will suffer grown business. You will bill us. And you think that we will remain that way forever? You think we will remain that way forever? It can never work. It can never work. So therefore, get ready. We will cook you until you are done. Yes. We will cook you until you are done. And you will be the one to speak out that, hey, stop cooking me. I'm done. And we will give you option. I keep telling you, I wish you know what you are getting yourself into. I wish you know, but you can never know. Your mind will keep telling you, pursue them, pursue them, pursue them, until you are drowned. Before your eye will get open to realize that, hey, you have been chasing shadow. You already, you know that you cannot catch spirit. You cannot catch spirit. Oh. Keep chasing shadow. If they like, me then release Nnamdi Kanu. If they don't like, me then hold him. Person where they hold hot water na hand go tell him at last waiting hot water go do for a hand. The more you hold him, the more Nigeria is destroyed beyond repair. The more you will never see peace. The more Nigeria economy will keep crumple down. Go tell you. Keep holding him. What is bigger than you is stronger than you. And that thing where strong past you. Is it not oil? Is it not oil that make you say you cannot let Biafra go? Is it not oil? Oil, crude oil. If it is oil, I will give you oil for free. I will channel oil to all the Africa for free, which you will also take this oil for free. And then you see say no. You see say no. You reject the offer. And you think that you want to take our land. You say now you it's not only oil that you need our land. You cannot take our land. You can never take an inch of our land. He will swallow you. He will swallow you. So therefore, keep coming. And you will keep dying. Keep holding him. And you will keep dying. Keep delaying Biafra. And you will keep dying. But at the end, you will understand that it is either Biafra or Biafra. And in this land of our ancestors, we go nowhere. We go nowhere. Okay? This land of Biafra, we go nowhere. We must possess all our possession. We will possess every piece of land that belongs to our ancestors, that hand over to our great grandfather, that hand over to us. We must possess it. And let me tell you, the more you delay us, the more we will also take part of your land and hold it for a long time before we release give you. You think we are joking? It will clear your eye very soon. It will clear your eye very soon. I'm not here to preach for you. I'm only here to tell the Biafrans that will wake up to get this message, that sit at home, start today. If you love your life, please stay in your house and enjoy your life. Those of you who are far, get in touch to your brothers and your sister, your loved one, and also tell them that at this very time that we are, their life depends in their hands. Because if you stay in the house, you will not meet untimely death that is walking on the road. The flying bullet will not touch you. Your car will not be God born. Your business will not burn down. Stay in your house. Do not allow anything to force you to go outside, because definitely it's going to be very deadly and dangerous outside there. I'm telling you this, please be one. Be one. Be one. Be one. Be one. Be one. If you really want to survive these very few days that remain to end this year. Because these 2 weeks, believe you me, is going to be a very hard week. These very 2 weeks that remain to end this year is not going to be easy. Trust me, it's not going to be easy. It's never going to be easy. So be on the safer side by staying indoor and obeying every instruction given to you if you really want to make it. Otherwise, try your luck. Gamble with your life. Gamble with your life, and you will know that life have no duplicates. No photocopy. That is the only things that I can tell you. And that is what make me come to you this early morning to tell you this. That you really need to keep yourself safe by staying indoor. If you do not make that money today, for these 5 days, at least have your life. It's better than you make the money, maybe you sustain the bullet injury and you spend 1 month, 2 months in the hospital. That is if it did not kill you. And you see use the money and spend money more than with pain. That is if you did not die, you be a wise person. And then you could have stayed in your house and eat a little food that you have for these 5 days. Nothing happened to you, and you start making your money again. The choice is yours. For those that were marked to die, nothing can save them. Maybe you carelessly drive your car, one commode, go flex, and then the holy angels got you and burned that car down. If you manage to escape, you know what it costs you to get a car again in this injury, in this hard time. At least you'll be in confidence for some days or some months or some years. That is it. It's left for you. Now you have the choice to make. I'm only here to advise you that sit at home, start today, being Friday, the 15 days of December. It will end on Tuesday next week, the 19 days of December 2023. Let him or her, let those who have ear to hear what the Spirit is saying to the living, let them hear. Otherwise, they will join the land of the Spirit.
So, my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst. I give you all the update back to back. Thank you so much, and bye bye.